David, I know English words, but when I meet people, I don't know what to say.
That's exactly why many learners struggle. They don't practice real small talk.
Yes, I feel awkward and stay quiet.
And that's why people don't sound natural. They don't know the common questions used every day.
So today, we fix that?
Yes. Today you'll learn the most common small talk questions and how to answer them naturally. Welcome to English Boost TV, where you learn real English through everyday conversations. In today's episode, you will learn how to start and continue small talk in English with confidence. Before I start, please subscribe the channel. Let's get started. Part 1. Greeting questions. Let's start with simple greetings.
Okay.
Common questions. How are you? How's it going? What's up?
How do I answer?
Simple. I'm good, thanks. Pretty good. Not bad. Part 2. Asking about daily life. Next, daily life questions. What do you do?
I'm a student. I work in an office.
What did you do today?
I worked and studied English.
Part 3. Free time and hobbies. Now let's talk about hobbies. What do you do in your free time?
I watch movies and listen to music.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I like reading and learning English.
Part 4. General small talk questions. Here are very common questions. Where are you from? Do you like this place? How's your day going?
These are easy to remember.
Yes, and very useful. Part 5. Real small talk conversation. Let's practice a real conversation. Hey, how's it going?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Pretty good. What did you do today?
I worked and studied English.
Nice. What do you do in your free time?
I watch movies and listen to music.
That sounds fun. Part 6. How to keep the conversation going.
Sometimes the conversation stops.
That's because you don't ask follow-up questions. Example, what do you do? I'm a student. Ask, what are you studying?
Oh, that keeps it going.
Part 7. Natural expressions. Use simple reactions. Really? That's interesting. Nice. Sounds good.
That makes me sound more natural.
Final tips. Keep your sentences simple. Ask questions. Listen carefully. Smile and be confident.
Small talk is not difficult.
Exactly. It's just simple questions and answers.
I feel ready to talk now. Thanks, David. This really helped me.
You're welcome. Practice every day. Great job. Now you know the most common small talk questions in English. Practice daily and speak with confidence. Thanks for listening to English Boost TV. If you like the video, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. See you in the next episode.